Sammy the snail was famous in Greenleaf Grove for his shiny shell and his loud sneezes. One day he ate a sparkly dandelion puff, and then a giant sneeze sent him zooming across the meadow. His shell spun like a top and he whizzed past Rosie the rabbit, who hopped after him laughing. "Slow down, Sammy," she called. But Sammy's sneezes kept coming. Achoo! He bounced into Freddy the Fox's picnic and scattered all the sandwiches. Freddy yipped with glee and chased after him. The meadow animals roared with laughter as Sammy zipped through the flowers, leaving a glittery trail from the dandelion. Finally, he crashed into Molly, the mouse's tiny tea party. Teacups flew everywhere, and Molly squeaked, "You're a sneezing rocket!" Out of puffs, Sammy stopped, and the animals all laughed. They helped clean up the mess, and Molly offered him a non-sparkly daisy to calm him down. "No more sneeze fuel," she said. Sammy promised to stick to plain leaves from now on. But the meadow buzzed with tales of the sneezing snail's adventure. And every time Sammy sneezed, everyone laughed, remembering his wild ride through the flowers.